Hey Edgewood, my name is Ms. Weinhagen and I will be teaching 8th grade PE and health this year. I am a shared teacher, so I'm just part-time in the mornings at Edgewood and then I spend my afternoons at Chippewa in the district. This is my 4th year in the district, so I'm super excited to be part of your community and get to know all of you in the virtual and blended setting depending on which option you're choosing. As for PE, we really are focused on those fitness for life components as well as some of those units that are a little bit more sport based. But again, we all know that living a healthy life, being active, is going to be the best way to stay healthy. We're really going to put an emphasis on that wherever you are. We just want you up and moving and doing those things. I love playing and watching sports. You'll always see me on the move. I think highlight from my summer would be that I got engaged to my best friend that I get to marry. So I'm super excited about that and we'll be planning that. So that's super fun for me. I hope you all were able to find some fun in the summer of COVID. I know it's been a little bit tough, but we're surviving and we will survive this school year. Google Classroom is going to be the place where the majority of our work is posted for you to use. As we go through the year, if there are different digital tools that we decide to use, definitely we'll make sure that you understand how to use them. But my door is always open. I'm an email away or a Google Hangout chat away. So please, please don't hesitate to connect with me if you have questions or if you just want to chit chat. I love getting to know you on the personal level. I want to know what you like to do for fun, what your favorite subjects are. I do know that sometimes PE is not maybe the most favorite subject, but we're going to try and do as much fun activities as we can. You all, for those of you who are going to be coming back into the building when we're able to get back, have a beautiful new space with new gyms and a new pool and all that really nice stuff. So I'm super excited to be able to teach there. I'm excited for you guys to experience that. Mostly I'm excited to be back in school and to meet all of you. So please don't ever hesitate to email me with questions or concerns. I'm so looking forward to meeting you and I will see you next week. Have a good one.